Hi, it's Annette at needlepointers.com. Keeping yarn balls neat and tangle-free is essential for keeping your knitting and crocheting materials tidy and organized. Do your yarn balls look like this, unraveled and a tangled mess? Would you like your yarn balls to look like this, neat and secure? With this simple trick, they can. Let me show you how. What you will need are hair clips. These hair clips are available in multi-packs at dollar stores. Wind your yarn into a ball as you normally would. Open a hair clip and place it under the loose end of the yarn. Close the clip to hold the yarn end securely in place. That's it. This quick and easy method will keep your yarn from unraveling and prevent tangling when you store in a box, bin, or basket. Another storage method I use for small yarn balls, I repurpose empty egg cartons to keep the yarn separated, prevent unraveling, and make it easily accessible. Give these methods a try and enjoy a more organized yarn stash. Did you enjoy these yarn tips? If you liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep up with us by following us on Facebook, X, and Pinterest. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free knitting and crocheting projects and information. While you are there, sign up for our weekly newsletter to stay informed about new projects and tutorials.